papaya now is chopped to small pieces. Cashew paste. Today I'm with my friends Vladimir and his lovely wife Miliana, and Vladimir kindly offered me to make me a vegan ice cream, and less than 5 minutes he came with 3 balls of the ice cream and asked me to guess what it is on it, and I couldn't really pick it up. It tastes fantastic, and I want to ask Vladimir if it's possible. I'm gonna ask for a recipe to put it in YouTube because I think a lot of people are gonna love it, and it's low in energy, it's full of nutrition, and it's a great taste. What do you think?
Yeah,
so
I give you my permission.
Yeah, you give me my permission, and you. How come you come up with this idea? I just want to be wondering. You're just experimenting different things.
I'm like ratatouille.
Ratatouille of.
My brain thinks through the tongue.
Yeah, okay, that's excellent. Therefore, we're gonna just not exposing the ingredient. If you like to know, please keep watching. To prepare this lovely vegan ice cream, we need 1 papaya. We need some cashew, we need coconut cream or coconut powder, you can use one of them, some vanilla essence, cocoa powder. Because it's this one, I just want to do it vegan, I used almond milk, and to add a bit more sweeten I use stevia. But this is very healthy, and now I'm going to show you how you can prepare this lovely ice cream as a dessert. This is 1 cup. We add 1 cup of the cashew here. A bit more. And just put it in this bowl, and I add some just water. All right, I add the water to the cashew, basically just cover all of the cashew. I'm just gonna put glad wrap and put it in fridge to get soaked overnight. At this stage, I'm gonna just peel this papaya and just cut them to small pieces. I need roughly around half a kilo of the papaya to be chopped. All of the papaya now is chopped to small pieces. I'm going to add half a kilo of the papaya here, and 300. Well, I'm gonna add all of it because I think it seems like 600. I'm gonna add a bit of extra cashew to our mix, but it's basically 1 kilograms of papaya. They give you around 50% or 60% yield, which is in around 600 grams. I'm gonna put the lid and put it in freezer now. Then this stage we have to wait to this frozen, and our cashew also get soaked, and then I going to put the cashew in freezer as well in order to be frozen. I'll pick up those if as you remember it was soaked and frozen just in the freezer. Now I'm going to put them in processor. Then, because this one are just going to be vegan, I'm going to use almond milk, which is I put in fridge just so to be cooled. That's enough. I want to turn to a creamy paste. It's a bit dry, therefore I'm going to add a bit of more almond milk. You see, kind of it's a bit quite nice paste, and that's what we want. It's like a smooth paste, so I'm gonna do it a bit more. There are a few bits and pieces there. Just want to get rid of all of cashew. Be grinded quite well. Looking good. Now the cashew is become to paste. Now we're gonna add papaya here. Just around half a kilo papaya. That's good enough. Just over 500. Try to break those one down. Maybe next time actually I'll put them in more flat to it's frozen but not be in such a big, you know, try to make it in the small pieces if you can. All right. Is done. Just gonna open it. It's looking not too bad. Now I add our cashew paste here. Now we're adding some just cocoa powder. One generous teaspoon. I'm going to use some coconut cream instead of coconut milk powder. Again, I'm going to use one, so maybe 1.5 of coconut cream. And I'm going to add some vanilla bean paste, about 1 teaspoon. This is optional, you don't have to, but I like a bit of, you know, vanilla taste here. And the last, we're gonna add some stevia to add a bit of, increase the sweetness of the ice cream. I add 2.5 teaspoons. And mix everything together. Bits from the edges. Look good to me. Just it's so smooth. Okay, ice cream is ready. you can just start saving it as it is. If it's excess, you can put it in freezer, but if you put it in freezer, it's a good idea to again just put it in the processor to make it again smoothly. We're gonna just we're gonna eat some of them now, and if anything left over, we're gonna freeze it. Thank you very much for watching this video and give your time. I hope you make this ice cream and enjoy it. It's a really lovely, it's, as you saw, it's very simple and you don't need too many ingredients, and all of the ingredient is real food, and you can put it together, and its texture and everything is almost like gelato, I have to say. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, be curious, eat healthy, and be active. And up to next video. Bye for now.